it's me, Avi, and we just got mango and lemon a new filter. No, just kidding. We got mango and lemon new friend. So let's go. He's actually very colorful, even colorful than mango and lemon. Can you just speed this up?
Yep.
Yeah, now we have it here on top. Oh. Here is also here. Dude, open. I can feel the birds scared. First, we need to open this thing. I'm so stoked. Okay, open it. Open fully. Now close it. Move back. Whoa, guys, just look at him. Okay. What I've gotten. So, if you wanna name him, I have no idea what to name him. So, leave it down in the comments. What do you want to name him?
I would say we could name him Rainbow.
That's the thing which I was thinking.
Guys, I'll show you it. Look at this.
If you like the
The
new
middle
bird,
one.
guys, if you like the new bird, please like and subscribe. He's the coolest one I've ever gotten. So, there's no other way to end this video than just bring this one. Peace out.
1 hour later.
I think I have to check back on him tomorrow because he's very scared and this is his new home. So let's check back tomorrow.
The next day.
Everyone, it's the next day and Rainbow is actually pretty fine. Come, let's go. Again, let's speak. Oh, yeah, that was very quick. 1 second. No, actually, 1 second. Let me just get this thing so you can see Mango. He is the coolest buddy I've ever seen. I don't know if he's not scared of me or what. It's very hard for trying to focus on him in one hand. Come on, Mango, you have to. Jeez. He is doing comfortable than the folks here are the finches. Let me try to show you who's Fluffy here. Jeez, you couldn't see me for this. Let me just do it again. Oh. Where is Fluffy? Fluffy. Oh. Fluffy is right there. I don't know if we can. No, that's not Fluffy. He's right there. Wait, let me try to show him. No guys, it's really hard to spot Fluffy. So, again, 1 sec. Guys, about Chomsky, it was very bad I don't know, he had fungus in his gills. That's what my mom said, but it was mostly he had fungus on his body and which started to go and suddenly it came to his gills. So once I came back from school, he was all dead. Rest in peace, Chomsky. I don't know if he'll see this. So that's the end of the video.